Good afternoon, guys. Now, try to wait, sweetie, wait. I said wait. Wait, wait. No, wait. I said wait. Wait. Ay, sweetie, I said wait, huh? You must do it together. I will finish this and then after you will eat together. Okay? Understand? Huh? You understand? Just I will slap your face. Oh, no worries, sweetie. Snow. Where is Rainbow? Where is Kali? Oh, I have 4 dogs, guys. Now this time is eating time. Now eating time for them. And then me, I will continue with my job. Actually, I'm doing something, but my dog is hungry. Here is Rainbow. And then one is Snow. And then this is Sweetie. And last is Kali. This is my 4 dogs. My old bodyguard, guys. This is my 4 dogs. Well, they are eating. Now, I'm doing something here also in my that side. I removed the, what do you call it? I removed the carpet. I keep it there, the carpet before. Now I need to remove because I need to put the stone. It's very messy. Now I'm putting the stone now. This is my job for today. Because too much raining, guys. That's why a lot of dirty coming. Especially my doggies. Mag-ano man ako. Do construction working. I put all the stone, I collect all the stone, and then keep it here. I put outside, I collect all the stones. Because it's too much raining before, I put here carpet, but not working. Still, the dog is too much messy. So I decide to put kind of stone. So that it's easy to clean. So I collected all the stones. While my dog is eating, I'm also busy here. At least today the rain is little stopped. Otherwise the rain is keeping going. I cannot do anything. Now the rain is stopped. Now I'm collecting all the stone outside and then place it here. I'm almost done this side. I just piled all the stone. So that during raining, oh my God, too much raining. Grabe ang ulan dito, guys, everyday. Ngayon mawala, mamaya na naman, balik na naman to mamaya. Too much raining na naman dito. That's why not it's all my doggies is busy. They are busy also eating. Ikaw ng mga irogay, mga bodyguard. Shout out po sa all mom bear out there. I just peel all the stones so that it's easy, it's clean also. This one almost done. Other side only is balance. Mag-construction worker muna ako ngayon. Everyday construction worker, everyday what we'll do. That will not feel sleepy, boring, at least now. This is my another job to become relax sa trabaho. Ito lang, just nothing na siya. Because my dog always coming this area. Oh my God, there's too much. Sa lapok ba? Bisaya pa lapok tayo. Mahugaw na rin sila. Sige pa lapok. I collect the stone outside of the gate. And then I keep it all here. And then Buyag, see guys, my all malunggay. This is how many years? Every day I'm taking this malunggay. Because before I put it all this one, before I put the carpet, this all I keep it. Now it's very basic, that's why I changed the stone. I collect the stone right now so that to avoid messy. Because all my dog is doing their poo and suso. This one I keep it before. Here I put it, but now I remove because due to too much insect. Now it's, diba? It's okay na guys. I need to additional only stone. I'm more picking up. And then here guys, I want to show, this is our dog before. He already passed away. And then we keep it only here. Princess, her name. And then we keep here. And then today I just keep it cleaning for her. During the All Souls Day or Kalag-Kalag, I keep it always candle with her. This is our first baby dog, Princess. Her name is Princess. She already passed away due to the sickness. And then here you go. Thank you for watching all guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you to my new and old subscriber. Thank you so much. God bless po. Bye. God bless. Love you all.